I don't know if you like the rainy weather or the hot weather, but we have both coming for a while, at least today. We're looking at August, though. This is the outlook released yesterday from the Climate Prediction Center. This is just a general outlook saying that probabilities are that August as a whole may end up to be warmer on this map than usual in New Mexico and nearby areas of Arizona. And then the chances of drier than usual conditions may be increasing, although there's some uncertainty there. We may get into a stretch of dry weather most of next week, but then as we get toward middle and later parts of the month, we'll have to wait and see. There may be some monsoon rains coming back. It's not going to be like 100% dry in August, nothing like that. But there will be some rain around today to kick off August before we kind of turn it down a bit. 70 degrees in Ruidoso. You see a few clouds building up, but dry weather around right now. And the flash flood threat, we showed you the watches, which include Ruidoso and parts of Catron, Socorro counties in the northeastern area. Those watches kick in through 9 and 10 p.m. or toward midnight in some areas. But the yellowish area is kind of the highest risk of the flash flood potential, where there could be some heavy rain. If you look here, you can see the reason why. You look at the Futurecast computer model. As we go through the afternoon, again, some heavy rain may start to form, especially toward the evening hours. Just a couple showers and storms here and there by 3 p.m. But notice this area, thunderstorms could kind of really come together into a line or kind of a blob of storms that go through parts of eastern New Mexico later this evening. So this map shows at 11 p.m. storms are still raging over along I-40 or so. So we'll have to watch again. Some areas could be quite wet this evening. And otherwise, a fairly hot day, 93 in Roswell, 91 in Albuquerque. But this may be one of the cooler days for a while. You see that temperatures are going up. Tomorrow, not as much rain. It gets a little hotter, maybe a few heavy storms in the very northeastern corner of the state in southeast Colorado, especially around Union County, but a couple of isolated showers and storms in the mountains, but most places dry and not as much rain coming down. And then tomorrow's temperatures are going up, 94 in Albuquerque, 98 in Roswell, 96 in Deming. And notice by Sunday, as we should see a mainly dry day, it gets even hotter. We're talking 100 or so in around Socorro, 106 in Roswell, 103 in Carlsbad, just hot stuff. And these temperatures probably going at about this level or slightly hotter in some areas much of next week. So the weekend forecast in Albuquerque is getting a little hotter. 94 for high tomorrow, 97 on Sunday with mostly sunny and dry weather. Slim chance it could be maybe a shower or a wheat storm nearby in the Sandias the next day or so. But southern New Mexico looking for temperatures back in the 90s in many areas today. 86 on Clovis, but scattered showers and storms could be around even in the southwest mountains as well. And temperatures are really going up, as you saw in Roswell. 106 on Sunday. We could be seeing maybe some advisories for the heat next week. That's why we put the 4 warn alert days there. Silver City could have some warmer temperatures as we dry out after today as well. Northern New Mexico looking at mostly back in the 80s and 90s, but these areas, again, you see how many thunderstorm icons there are. The northeast quarter of the state, say roughly near and north of I-40 and east of the mountains, could have some of the heavier storms later this afternoon and this evening. So Farmington, 92 today, a slim chance of a shower or storm, mostly dry and in the 90s after that. Las Vegas looking at some scattered showers and storms, but then mostly dry and much warmer later for next week. North Mountains may see a brief shower or storm today, but from about this point eastward is the bigger rain chance for some heavier rain. Santa Fe, a 50% chance of a shower or storm this afternoon and evening. Then look at all that sunshine and kind of hotter temperatures near 90 degrees by early next week, and rain chances may try to gradually come back after that. East Mountains, maybe a few showers and storms that could be a little heavy this afternoon. Edgewood at 84 degrees, Moriarty also 84 degrees. Near and south of the metro, right around the low 90s, and about 90 to 93 or so around the metro area today. Not rain everywhere, I don't think, but there could be a shower or storm in or nearby, say after about 2 or 3 p.m. Already clouds are building up a little bit in the Sandias. And Rio Rancho could be close to 100 next week as the rain dries up. And that's the same story for most of the state, including Albuquerque. Look at the high temperatures, 91 today, 94 tomorrow. Then we're in the upper 90s with sunshine. Pretty much a hot and sunny forecast Sunday through much of next week. Could be getting close to 100 at times by either Tuesday or Wednesday. And we'll keep tracking this heat for you if you tune in this weekend here on KOB4.